Hello and welcome to this module. In this module, we are going to write cleaner code with advanced comprehension and containers. So let's get straight into it. So in this section, we create complex list in one line with comprehension, quick summary statistics with collections.counter, power up your dictionaries with one line merges and default dicts. So let's talk about create complex list. Now, there are four built-in data structure or container in Python, and they are list, dictionaries, tuples, and sets. Lists are ordered collections of items or objects which can be of different type. List contain the elements enclosed in square bracket and each element is separated by commas. List comprehensions provide a concise way to create list. It consists of brackets containing an expression followed by for clause, then zero or more for or if clauses. The expression can be anything, meaning you can put in all kinds of objects in the list. So with the list, we can start writing shorter and effective codes. Hence, code will execute faster. The list comprehension start with a square bracket to help you remember that result is going to be a list. The basic syntax is nothing but expression of item in list of conditionals. So first of all, let's create a list name no underscore list which contains 8 elements. So let's do that. I have a list which consists of 8 elements. Now we will perform iteration operation using for loop to compute even numbers from the list and calculate the result, which will represent as, let's write the code here. So here is the code. Now let's check that the value of n, and I am getting all the values. Now we will use this list comprehension to make list represent in a single line, which is shown here. So let's do that. So I will have twice underscore evens underscore 2, and now let's print it whether twice even is equal to even underscore 2 or not. So it is saying that it is true. Now what I'll do is, let's try to do some more advanced list comprehension. So here is the code. Now let's just like a more advanced comprehension, a complex big loops that are making logic even underscore odd, which is empty list. Then I'm iterating a for loop, and we have done with the same thing in a single line of code. So basically what I'm doing is entire loop which I am running, I am making it a single line of a code. So I have to execute this. And finally I'll print the values, and I'm getting the first ones and second ones. And then I want to compare. And you will see that the comparison is different. There is a difference, and that's why it's giving me the answer as false. So this is how you can apply list comprehension, and hope this makes sense.